Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. Went back and made another little dinky one. So this is a little tiny journal, and what I've used for this is my kit called Rose Lane. And what other kit did I use? I used my French ephemera kit, and then I used quite a bit of my freebies, which are over on my coffee shop. But what I'm going to do is I'll list everything below in the description box, if you want to go over and check them out. So yes, as like I said, some of these are freebies as well. So it's a little journal, it's a little tiny journal. The measurements will be on the listing. This will be for sale over on my shop, like on my website, and you'll have all the measurements there because I haven't taken them, but they're roughly about 5 by 3 inches. Okay, so I've done another clutch style closure. It's just a wraparound closure. It comes off completely, and that comes off completely as well, but I've sewn the button on. We've got some crochet trim, and that pops open. The journal is in there like so. That is the paper. That's a freebie. I think that's a freebie. Yep, that's a freebie over on my coffee shop. So we'll set that up out the way. And you can see how small it is. Actually, I've got my ruler here. So it is 2 3/4 by about 5, and we got stuff sticking out everywhere. So I'll try and remember everything. This has been made using, another kit that I used of mine was the Collage bumper kit. So like I said, I will link them all below anyway. So this is a freebie. This is from my Collage bumper kit. This is from a kit as well. I can't remember what the name of that is actually. Don't know, but I will find it and I'll put the link to that below. Got some trim on here. Got some ruffle. It was really wide and I had to trim it down because it looked a bit stupid on there. Paper clip with some fabric on there. That is part of one of the pages from the Rose Lane kit. That is a traveller's notebook size journal. And what I did was I printed them at 2 to a page. So I think most of all this was printed 2 to a page. So when we go inside, we get, this is a tag from the Rose Lane kit, and that just goes on there. Sorry, I got an itch. Some punched, edge punched paper, got a bead dangle there, some vintage crocheted trim. This is from my French ephemera kit. Little pocket there, that is from my Collage bumper kit. That's a freebie. The background tag there is from Rose Lane journal kit. Some lined paper, and I've done some punching there. Somewhere to write. This is from the thingy page, the what's it called, Rose Lane. See, I don't even know my own kits. And I like I said, printed them 2 to a page. We've got a crocheted pocket here and another bead dangle there. This is a freebie. This is from the Collage bumper kit. This is a page from the Rose Lane kit, and this is a freebie which you can find over on my coffee shop. That's a freebie as well. She's a freebie. Again, I don't know what that kit's from, but it is one of mine, so like I said, I will link it. This is from my French ephemera kit. Got a little pocket there. She's a freebie. That's from the kit that I don't know the name of. The Rose Lane kit. Pocket here. The only thing that I used in here that wasn't mine was the digital washi from chapter 1, and then we've got another tag there. She's a freebie. The background paper is from the Rose Lane kit. Some more it's not crochet trim, is it? That is punched, edge punch, the Martha Stewart one. I'll show you that. I don't know, I can't remember the name of it. I don't know, many times people have told me this over the years, like, oh, it's called this, Yvonne. And I always think, right, I'm going to get my Sharpie and write on the back somewhere what it is. And I know I always forget. And then when I do think of doing it, I forgot what it's called. Right, so we got 2 buttons. That button's got like a little kind of diamond-y there in the middle, or at the top. In the middle at the top. Little pocket there. She's a freebie, and this paper is from Rose Lane. So is this. pom-pom trim with a bead dangle on there. Little flip out there. That is from my French ephemera kit. This comes off. This page is a freebie. And this is from the French ephemera kit as well. I had to fold that in like quite a few places to get that in there. So that goes in there. Little crocheted pockets there. Freebie, Rose Lane, that's a freebie, and that is Collage bumper kit. Another bead dangle. That's a page from the kit. She's a freebie. That's the tag is from the Rose Lane, and this is from the Rose Lane as well. And here we've got a tag. That's from Rose Lane. That's from my Collage bumper kit. Thought I'd make a change if I'd done something with my own stuff. Freebie image background paper there is from my Collage bumper kit, and then we have that. Like I said, I will put the name of that below because I don't know what it's called. And that's got a little bit of fabric there. No, it's not ribbon, satin ribbon. So that goes in there like so, or whatever way. It goes that way, maybe that way, and that just folds around, and that goes there like so. I'm going to show you. I've got this is free shipping at the moment as well, so that just goes around like that. It sat better a minute ago. That's why, because I've got too much bulk there. There we go. Okay, so we've got that. We've got this. Again, that's another. I'm gonna have to with this. I had to do it with the other ones, and I've put a note in with the parcel because they've gone now. It's not really secure. So I'm going to redo this whole thing on this one, and I'm just going to make a closure like that because this was pulling away at the paper and I think it's going to tear. So we've got this one here, and that is a little, I'm just going to put the link to that below. It's a blue prayer journal, little dinky one, and that goes in there like so. It was a good idea when I done it, but then when I was sorting it all out and playing with it, I thought, oh, you know what, that might come off. Then I showed this yesterday. It's a big TN style, but it's not actually TN. It's a tall skinny journal using Tracy Fox's kit called Dusky Florals. And then I have this one as well, tall one. This is a vintage collage style journal. This was a design team project for Line Arrow. I'll put a link to that below because at the moment these are all free shipping. So if you want to grab yourself you know, a journal with free shipping, now's the time because with my website I've got a team of people that work with me and I work with them, sort of thing, and I get advised on when's good to do sales, when to do coupon offers, when to give free shipping, all this kind of stuff, because they see the traffic that goes in and out of my shop, and I get told, or suggestion. I don't get told what to do, I get suggestions. So this is when I do things and they tell me roughly hold it for so many days. Sometimes I don't listen to the advice they give me and I'll just do my own thing, but I do tend to, because it is good, and it's not free advice because it's paid for, but yeah, so that didn't want to do that, did it? So yeah, that's how and when I do my free shipping, or when I put like 15% off journals and things like that. I just thought I'd explain that to you just in case you wondered. You probably didn't. You're probably thinking, don't really care. But yeah, so that's the journal that I showed, and the other three I will put links to below if you want to go and check them out. This is, I not worked on it, but this took me ages to do because I got distracted with all these little ones. But I love this. I'm going to make myself one. I think I'm going to make myself a Christmassy one. So I'm looking for a big tall Christmas journal kit now if anyone knows of any. Right, so I'm gonna go and sort out, be decorating tomorrow, so got to go in and sort out stuff in the house. I'm not decorating, actually, I'm supervising. I'll be in here I'll be in here crafting, but I'll be checking on things as you do. So anyway, have a great day and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.